Next question is this one. A line is drawn through the origin. A line is drawn through the origin. Intersect the line 2x plus y minus 2 is equals to 0 and x minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0 at A and B. Then show that the locus of midpoint of AB is this curve. First, if you observe the equations, first equation is what? 2x plus y plus 2 equals 0, minus 2 equals 0. That slope is what? Minus 2. Second equation slope is 1 by 2. Therefore, two lines are perpendicular. Sorry. So, this is the line L1, that is first line, that is 2x plus y minus 2 equals 0, and this line L2 is second line, that is x minus 2y plus 2 is equals to 0. Product of the slopes is minus 1. These intersect right angle. Okay, so the line which passes to the origin, this is origin 0 comma 0, intersect the line L1 at A and L2 at B. Then the locus of the midpoint of AB is the question. So the locus of this midpoint is the question. That is MH comma K. The locus of this one is the question. So the line passes to the origin. Now to solve the question, locus question, we need to introduce the parameters. So here what I do is, here fixed point is given, the line passes through the origin. I will consider the slope of the line is m. Here m is the parameter. I introduce the parameter m. So this line equation is equals to what? Y is equal to mx, because it passes through the origin. I define origin is given. I have taken the slope m parameter. I introduce the parameter. The line equation is mx. So now find the coordinates of A and coordinates of B in terms of the parameter m. How to find the coordinates of A? So this line, that is y is equal to mx line, intersect the first line Lx plus y minus 2 equals 0 at A. Therefore y is equal to mx satisfies this L1. Therefore y is equal to mx, you put in L1 is equals to 0. Then what you get? 2x plus y is equals to what? Mx minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x into 2 plus m is equals to 2. X equals to what? 2 by 2 plus m. This is the x coordinate. How to find the y coordinate? Just you substitute x equal to 2 by 2 plus m in this one. Therefore corresponding y coordinate is equals to what? M is 2 by 2 plus m. Already m is there here. X is equal to 2 by 2 plus m. Therefore y coordinate is what? 2 by 2m by 2 plus m. Now the coordinates of A, these coordinates of A are 2 by 2 plus m comma 2m by 2 plus m, 2m by 2 plus m. Similarly find the coordinates of B. Similarly find the coordinates of B. Therefore y is equal to mx, you substitute in second line, that is x minus 2y. Similarly here on left, y is equals to mx, you substitute in L2 is equals to 0. Then what is L2? X minus 2y, that is 2mx plus 2 is equals to 0. Plus 2 is equals to 0. Then what you get? X into 1 minus 2m is equals to minus 2. Therefore x equals to 2 by 2m minus 1. So what is the y coordinate? Just again you substitute. So from here y coordinate is equals to 2m by 2m minus 1. Therefore coordinates of B are, x coordinate is 2 by 2m minus 1, y coordinate is 2m by 2m minus 1, 2m by 2m minus 1. Now the question is what? The locus of midpoint of AB. Locus we have taken as mh comma k. H comma k is the midpoint of AB. Use the midpoint formula. Use the midpoint formula. That is mh comma k is equals to this 2 by 2 plus m plus here 2 by 2m minus 1, 2 by 2m minus 1 by 2 comma 2m by 2m 2 plus m plus 2m by 2m minus 1. That is from here 2h is equals to here 2 take out common 1 by 2 plus m plus 1 by 2m minus 1. Here 2k by 2 here, sorry. Therefore 2k is equals to here 2m take out common 1 by 2 plus m plus 1 by 2m minus 1. 1 by 2m minus 1. From here see here 2 is 2 cancel, therefore h is equals to here what you have 2m minus 1 plus 2 plus m by 2 plus m into 2m minus 1 comma here also k is equals to m times 2m minus 1 plus 2 plus m by 2 plus m into 2m minus 1. So this h is equals to here 2m plus m, that is 3m plus 1 by 2 plus m into 2m minus 1 comma k is equals to m times 3m plus 1 by 2 plus m into 2m minus 1. So let this is 1 and this one is 2. From this one can we eliminate the parameter m from 1 and 2? Otherwise can we get the value of m in terms of h comma k? How to get the value of m in terms of h comma k? If you observe, this 3m plus 1 is common and 2 plus m common, 2m minus 1 2m minus 1 common. So if you divide 2 by 1, if you divide 2 by 1, then what you get? 2 by 1, then what you get? This by this is equals to what? This part cancel. M is equals to k by h. So we got m in terms of h comma k. If you divide 2 by 1, this part gets cancelled. You will get m is equal to k by h. Now to get the locus, we need to eliminate the parameter. That is the locus. To eliminate the parameter, either you substitute m is equal to k by h in first equation or second equation. So I will substitute this m is equal to k by h in first one. Therefore m parameter will be eliminated. So if you substitute, then what you get? Tell me. Here we will do. Therefore h is equals to 3 times m is equal to what? K by h plus 1 over 2 plus k by h, 2 plus k by h into 2 times this k by h minus 1. So if you simplify this one, then h is equals to 3k plus h by h over 2h plus k by h into 2k minus h by h. So 1h cancel. Therefore h is equals to 3k plus h into h by 2h plus k into 2k minus h. Now this is equals to, if you open all the brackets, then what you get, h is equals to this 3kh plus h square over 4hk minus 2h square plus 2k square minus hk. So next h is equals to what you get, 3hk, okay 3hk plus h square over 4hk minus hk, that is 3hk minus 2h square plus 2k square. Now cross multiply. If you cross multiply, then what you get, through 3h square k minus 2h cube plus 2hk square is equals to 3hk plus h square. Now what you do is, here in this term h is there, h, you can cancel out h because h is not equal to 0, because mh comma k is the midpoint, therefore its h is not equal to 0. Since h is not equal to 0, therefore throughout you can cancel. If you cancel, then what you get, 3hk minus 2h square plus 2k square minus 3k minus h is equals to 0. Now replace h by x, k by y, then we will get the locus. Replace h by x, k by y, what you get, 3xy minus 2x square plus 2y square minus 3y minus x equal to 0. If you take out this total thing this side, 2x right hand side, 2x square minus 2y square minus 3xy plus x plus 3y is equals to 0. This is the required locus. 2x square minus 2y square, yeah, 2x square minus 2y square, yeah, minus 3xy plus x plus 3y plus x plus 3y. Yes, that is the required locus.